Hey guys, I'm Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a makeup tutorial to achieve the flawless matte finish look. You can use this even for the weddings and parties and things like that. So to know more about this, let's dive right into the video. So I'm starting off with the process. Make sure you prep your face very well. So always use a good cleanser or face wash to clean up all the gunk in your face. The second step is to apply a good moisturizer. For moisturizing cream, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Hydra Fresh Genius Ice Cream. This is very good for hydrating your skin and holding up your makeup for a long time. So I like a light, kind of moisturizers. So I'm gonna apply all over my face. Now once you're done moisturizing your face, it's very important to apply a primer. If you don't have a primer, you can also use aloe vera gel, cucumber gel instead of a primer. Now why do we use primer is because if you have any open pores, to lock up that open pores and give you that matte finish look, we use a primer. So I'm going to show you an alternate option. As I told you, I'm going to use aloe vera gel. So for aloe vera gel, I'm using the Everyuth Naturals aloe vera gel as a primer. This aloe vera gel works as a great, for your face to lock up and work as a primer to your face. So I'm going to apply wherever I have a lot of pores and T-zone. So where I tend to, oil more. So once you're done applying primer, it's very important to color correct your face. There are different types of color corrector like peach and orange, red, green, purple. All works for different, problems that we have on our skin. I don't have red pimples on my face. Rather, I have deep pigmentation like around my mouth, my dark circles, my forehead. So I will be using a red corrector. Make sure you use a red corrector. If you don't use a corrector, it makes up your, face ashy for the foundation that you're going to apply. So I'm using the corrector, that is red corrector from NYBay. This is also very affordable. This is available in purple.com. So I'm going to be correcting all over my face wherever I have a lot of, pigmentation and things like that. But this corrector is an okay corrector, like it is okay for the amount we pay. It gives good coverage. It's enough for beginners also. So I'm just going to first dab it, and then I'm going to apply take a blender and then going to press it to take off the excess product. So once you're done this, you can take a blender and just dab it to take off the excess of product. So in order to hide all of this redness all over my face, I'm using a concealer. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline, Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cafe. That is 50. So I'm just going to conceal all over my face, like wherever I've applied this red corrector. Now once you're done, color correcting, just take your damp beauty sponge and just dab it. Now you can see all of my redness is being hidden. Now the next step is to apply a foundation. I love this foundation. This is my all-time favorite foundation. That is the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation. My shade is in Warm Sun, that is 334. I love this foundation. It gives that matte finish and super looking effect, and also amazing for beginners. So I'm going to take around 2 pumps like that, which is more sufficient, and I'm just going to dot it first all over my face. And don't forget to apply foundation to your neck also, because this one color, and this another color, not even. So I'll take it to my neck also. Now I'm taking the same beauty sponge and I'm going to blend it in. Don't rub, it's wrong. Just blend it, like just dab it. Now once you're done, dabbing all of the foundation and got it into a proper base, it's very important, the next step is to highlight your face. So to highlight my face, that is to bring all of my face into a proper dimension, I'm using a highlighter. I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer to highlight my face. This is in the shade Caramel. And then I'm just going to dab it. So now once when you're done getting your face into a proper dimension, it's very important to set all of these process, or it's very important to do this process. So either you can use a setting spray or you can use a loose powder, or you can use a compact. So I'm using a compact over here. This is from Nykaa and I am in the shade Warm Honey. So I'm going to use it wherever I tend to cake up more and wherever I tend to get more smile lines. Like here is the place where I get smile lines and here little bit of wrinkles. So I'll try to bake it properly. So now when you're done applying your compact powder, the next step is to fill your brows. I love having defined brows because it gives the proper definition and dimension to our face. I'm not going to do any extra step. I'm just going to take a kajal and a brush and I'm just going to take a little bit and just going to do it, like fill all the gaps wherever needs to be done. See, you can see the difference between this and this. So this is very important step because it gives a proper dimension to your face. So now once you're done filling your brows, I'm going to do my eye. For eyelids, I'm not going to apply anything like eyeshadow or anything. I'm just going to get a matte look. So I'm not going to apply any eyeshadows. Rather, I'm going to apply a eyeliner and a mascara to fill my eyes. For eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Super Stay eyeliner. This is really very nice. This gives that bold lining and I really love this. So I'm using this to line. I'm not going to apply very like a winged or something. I'm just going to apply lightly. Like this, and here also the same. Eyeliner is done. Now I'm going to apply the mascara. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Super Stay. I think this is volumizing mascara. This is waterproof. I love this mascara and it is perfect for beginners. So I'm using this for applying my upper lashes as well as lower lashes. So I love applying mascara. It gives also a perfect definition for your face. So I'm going to follow the same process here also. So I just finished my eye makeup, nothing much, just eyeliner and mascara. Now the next step is to apply a lipstick. For lipstick, I'm going to use the Color Bar lipstick. This is like kind of a magenta, like wine color, a beautiful color on dusky skin girls as well as fair skin tone girls. So I'm not just lining my lips or something, just gonna apply randomly. Once you're done, finishing your lips, the last step is to apply a highlighter to give that extra kind of a dimension to your face. So I'm just applying highlighter to the highest points of my cheek. So for highlighting, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is a beautiful highlighter for dusky skin girls. I'm not going to use any brush. I'm just going to take this finger and just going to highlight it here. The bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, cheeks, and then here the tip of my nose. Done. If you want, you can apply it on your chin, and I'll apply always to my shoulder bone also. So done with my makeup. I'm just going to comb my hair and come back to you all. So I just tied a messy bun, and that's it. This is very easy to achieve, very flawless and very matte. So I like the complete look. How did it turn from that to this? You can definitely achieve this look very easily, and also you can carry out this makeup for your offices, colleges and things like that, for your fests, birthday parties and all of these. Super easy. I did not use any difficult pro kind of step. But yeah, it's very easy. You can see it looks so flawless on my skin, and that highlighter with that lipstick is perfect. So if you all like this video, please don't forget to comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press that notification bell on. Until then, see you all in the next video. Bye.